I done fell into a quasar and evolved within the galaxies, which echoed my spirit by 3. Well, did they call this place Rhapsody? And I'm hoping they're prepared for me. My eloquent intelligence is not one to disparage, evolving past old realms, and now I found another planet. Mars, qualities, indigo streams flow within it. Music echoes to the cosmos and falsely is diminished. The lingering of Lucy, evolution of Phoenix. The sun rays from summer and rays Gemini Venus. That palpable energy impossible to ignore. I'm guided by the universe, all flow and no force. Just having all your company. Welcome to SoFar Sounds. We're gonna show you how we get down. Welcome y'all, peace and love, peace and love. Welcome to SoFar Sounds, my name is Rae.Dianzzz. And tonight, we're doing our big one for Virgo season. Yes. Energy that literally warms your soul.